Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today I will do a video tutorial on how to create a basic BlitzPlus program in BlitzBASIC. So yeah, this is my very first BlitzBASIC tutorial. So yeah, that's what I said about a week ago, that I'll be doing these tutorials as I got that book, that textbook on the Game Programming for Teen Second Edition. And yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and this is just going to be a basic Hello World program in BlitzPlus and BlitzBASIC. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to type a comment called demo0201.bb. So to make a comment in BlitzPlus, you add a colon and then type demo02. Now this part's optional. You do not have to write this, but I'm going to do it anyway just to get a little heads up. And then space dash displays text hello world. And press enter. And now we're going to type print. Print is a little line right there, and then type hello world, and then add another quotation mark to end the quote. Press enter 2 times and type delay 5,000. This indicates that it's gonna close the window in 5 seconds. Or let's make it 10 seconds, since I'd want to make it longer. Yeah, but you can add however many seconds you want, but for this I'm gonna put in 10 seconds. Alright, so yeah, 10 seconds. So yeah, there's our little simple BlitzPlus program in which says hello world. So we're gonna go up to file and click save as, and now we're gonna call this example.bb, because this is a BlitzPlus file. And now, yeah, well, you can call this file whatever you want, but I'm going to call it example because this is just a test program, and click save. Alright, so now we're going to run the program and see what it says. Hello world. So there you go. A little hello world program in BlitzPlus and made in BlitzBASIC. Alright, so that was a simple little tutorial on how to create a basic BlitzPlus program in BlitzBASIC, a hello world program. So if you like this video, then remember to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you later.